there is 3 places where we can add new categories. We can add those through settings on your left-hand side sidebar. When you go to lists, there is sales codes, so we can add here in this section, or we can go to settings and under chart of accounts, when you scroll to the very bottom, you can add new code here. Or third place is through sales invoices, and on top header there is sales codes. So how to add a new sales code? So sales of goods is 100, but we have new category, for example, online course. So 101 will be for online course. Add new sales code. We need to select for a category. In my case, I'm a sole trader, so it's asking me where they want to classify this new revenue stream on my report. Then pre-fill rate and description fields when I select this code. So you will be able to amend this price later, but if my online course costs 150, you can already add these details here, and when you will create an invoice, it will take this price and this description and it will add to your invoice. It can save time. Click update and there is a price appearing there. Then we've got monthly subscription. Okay, and then we have, for example, a product. So instead of taking for services, for product category, I can select any number between 100 and 190. So for example, for all my products, I will start to use 130 and down codes. So 130, 131 and etc. And this sales code name will be product, for example, book. The same. So, and let's add 131, and there is product. I will say Canva. Add new sales code. Turnover, the same. And update. So we can also change a price for shipping. So when you click on shipping, and if you know what is a rate for shipping, if you're distributing your products out, so for example shipping is £25, you can already default that price there. Click update. Okay, so this is a way how you can add codes or record different revenue streams on your cash flow accounting system.